Asoya me prend un break parce que c'est fête moi. Chef Antonio dans Kaila. Là boy bon yo fête Marim Ordeli puis ka bon yo fête Asoya pour fête moi. Fête Antonio?
How you doing? My name is Chef Antonio. How you doing tonight? Tonight I'm going to do a dinner for them. It's going to be Bahamian lobster tails with shish kebabs, with grilled asparagus and mashed potatoes. And I hope they enjoy, but I know they will. Thank you and God bless.
You don't tell them where they can find you?
You can find me at www.chefsforanight.com. www.chefsforanight.com, or you can go to my brother right here.
You got to like you. Hey? Hey? Is this Chef Antonio? Hoorah, mommy. Hoorah.
No, this is mommy's. Yep, that size mommy's.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow, looks good, Chef.
Yes, sir.
Looks good, Chef.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
All right,
Thank
so
you.
I'm gonna taste first. So
Yeah, let's go taste. Let's taste.
All right. Well, then.
Thank you.
Good
Chef
stuff.
Antonio dans Kaila.
You are
Chef
totally
Antonio
welcome.
bon Marim mette fait là pour fête moi. Et puis Chef Antonio bon ça pour fête moi aujourd'hui. Mon Chef Antonio merci. Chérie merci en pile. Parce que Chef Antonio pour venir bon petit bail ça là aujourd'hui. Là mon merci en pile.
What should I say?
That's right. So tonight you have a grilled Bahamian lobster tail, drizzled in a garlic butter. Did a kebab today, finished off with the Peruvian glaze with a garlic mashed potatoes and grilled asparagus.
The kebab is chicken, right?
Chicken, yes sir. And no
That's good.
salt on your way.
Thank you.
Yes sir.
Thank
So
you.
you guys taste it, let me know. Why I'm
All right.
back.
Okay.
All right, Daddy, you still on, Daddy?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, mama.
Hey, enjoy your day, mommy. So, I'm sorry. I'm calling for you, mommy. At least the least I can do. You know what I'm saying? White chocolate. Alright. So how this? I got it. Yay!
Thank you.
I didn't mess it up, eh?
No.
Me, I want chocolate, mommy. Can I use yours? Okay?
Me, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
I need to eat.
Happy birthday to me.
Put them back on your back.
Et moi, j'ai pas de moche.
Alright.
Avec un peu de noir, hein? Parce que nous, gens place là, c'est que manger à des bons. Manger à des bons, puis manger tout bagage. Manger à des bons. Je dis tout le monde encore merci Marie, merci petite moi, merci chef là. Je dis tout le monde merci. Manger à bon. Merci d'être nous ensemble avec moi. Je dis à vous nous être ensemble avec moi dans fête là. Je dis nous merci encore. Bon, n'a pas regardé vidéo like vidéo pour moi, share vidéo et puis subscribe ensemble avec. N'a promis on l'autre là encore. Merci.
There we go.